The YD3038 TV Wall Mount by ELIVED offers an impressive long arm extension of 37.9 inches, allowing for a versatile range of viewing positions. Designed to fit most televisions from 42 to 75 inches, this wall mount supports a variety of VESA patterns, ensuring broad compatibility. Its single stud design and long articulating arms make it perfect for corner installations, maximizing flexibility and expanding viewing options in tight spaces. The mount provides an ultimate viewing experience with its ability to swivel 90 degrees left or right and tilt +5 degrees or -10 degrees, reducing glare effectively. Installation is made easy with the included step-by-step instructions, a bubble level, and all necessary mounting hardware, though it should not be installed directly into drywall alone. This TV wall mount is a reliable choice for those wanting to enhance their home entertainment setup with its robust build capable of holding up to 99 pounds.